Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a crochet hairstyle in less than an hour. I'm going to be using the Sensationnel Jamaican Bounce hair in a color 2. I'm going to use 4 packs total. This is one of my favorite go-to hairstyles. If I have to put in something that's quick but still cute and it's going to attract attention and turn some heads, then this is the hair that I use. So if you guys are interested in how to achieve this look, then continue watching. For the braiding pattern, I actually wanted to do 2 big French braids, but my hair is so thick in the back that my hands hurt when I do it that way. So I actually did 3 braids, 2 in the front and then 1 down the back. And the only reason why I have this braid here is to give me the versatility to have a middle part or to have a side part. So I'm going to start doing the install and then I'll come back to you guys when I am done. Okay, so far I have installed 1 pack. This is what it covers so far. And I started at 207 and it is now, you can see that, 216. So I'm going to start on my second pack and I'll come right back. Guys, I'm done with pack number 2 and here's the coverage. I have to put some more pieces right here for pack number 3, but it is 225. So on average about like 8 to 10 minutes per pack to install this hair because it's so full and it's so thick, it makes it a lot easier. I'm going to go ahead and get started on pack number 3. I did really quickly want to tell you guys that for the top of my hair, for all of the front of my hair, I'm actually using the knotless method to install these pieces in the front. I'm not using just the regular crochet method. So you basically just pull the crochet needle through your braid, attach the hair, and pull that back through your braid. And then you're going to take 1 piece of the crochet hair and pull that through your loop. And then you can secure it. Okay, you guys, I am completely done with my install. I used a total of 4 packs for this hairstyle. And I do have the versatility of having my middle part and I still have my side part as well. So I can switch it up if I want to or ever need to. Oh, and my time right now is 2:38. Only problem with this hair is there will be a lot of shedding that you will have to keep up and maintain the hair. Always wear a bonnet at night for this type of hairstyle because it will get frizzy really quickly, and just make sure that every day you go through and actually, you know, take pieces if you see any frizziness and just cut them out with scissors. It's crochet hair, so it's nothing you can really do about that. But if you guys have any questions or any comments, leave them below. I'll always respond to you guys, and I will see you at my next video. Bye.
I'm thinking I'm needing a break. Clear up the clutter, dang man. Can I get a minute? Cause it's space, man. You been in my head playing games, man. Give me way to control it. Got me feeling like I can't breathe.